Last time on Races to Places, Lyndon made some adjustments to Basil's clutch plate. Andy gave him a tune-up.
So I just stopped at a place called Ongongo Falls. There's a campsite here and camp's set up there and dinner's there, but best of all, if you walk around the corner here, there's a little walkway. There's a special treat at the end of it.
A hot spring, this is what you need after a long day's riding. Perfect.
No better way to finish off a long hot day in the desert on the bike than a swim in some lovely fresh water. Got my bottle of water and my dinner. I'm just sat on this step here, enjoying my dinner after an awesome day on the bike. About 350 kilometers today, predominantly off the beaten track, like on riverbeds and things like that. Really awesome day, saw elephants and giraffes and everything. It was really cool. Got a thorn in my front tyre today. Didn't go down the tyre, but it's still in there and it's slowly going down, so I'm going to leave it and see if I can get another day out of it before fixing it. But yeah, really good day, so cool exploring these tracks. Yeah, it's awesome. The people that helped me put the track together for Namibia, lots of experience from all over, travellers that have come to Namibia, people that live here, put these tracks together, and yeah, they're amazing. So people probably wonder, like, how does Lyndon manage all his GoPros and brackets and everything like that? Well, this is my GoPro box, and if you open it up, it's full of brackets, stickies, pads, spare screws, more pads, everything you need for the GoPros. But as you can see, it's not light, it's not small, and it's just something else you've got to carry. Village here, hamlet. The goats have just been let out this morning. See the local housing. So I just went for shopping for some quick supplies here. We got some pasta, some corned beef and some shortbread biscuits as a little treat for dessert. Say hello. 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 Thank you. Bye. So I'm just getting the permit here. Once you got the permit, 150 Namibian dollars, then you don't have to pay it again at any other gates down here. I can't imagine there being many more out here. It's very remote.
And it looks like the boys are currently shredding up another riverbed.
bull elephant just up there. I think it's a bull, because when I arrived there was a couple more and they've gone over to the right hand side, and what I don't want to do is get between them, but I've been sitting here for 10 minutes now and he's not moving, so I'm going up the riverbed. There's an elephant, a big elephant. Wow. Just passing by nicely. Ooh, that's scary.
Welcome to nothing.
Tech Tuesday for you all, or whatever we want to call it. At the moment here, I'm just trying to put a mount pointing backwards on the handlebars. Single riverbed is different here, so you're just never going to bump into the same thing twice. Look at this. It's just spectacular. So blessed to be here doing this.
So I just arrived in the small town called Puros, and beautiful riding in the riverbeds, really nice, but very remote area, and I tried to get some fuel, some petrol here, and they don't have any, so they're trying to negotiate with the houses that have got some to get me some fuel. I need about 25 litres to fill up and take an extra 10 litres to get where I want to go. So this is Colin. Colin is the local help and support with fuel, petrol and diesel. Is that right?
Yeah.
So you are the petrol station?
Yes.
So he's fixed me up with some petrol.
So I managed to negotiate with Colin, the local fuel guy, for the guys down here. Has got a generator. There's like no fuel in town, but apparently these guys have got some fuel.
Hassan and Tupac. Yeah, Hassan and Tupac are the guys helping me to get some gas today. Thank you guys.
Okay.
Wow. He's pumping it from here. It's not diesel, yeah? No diesel.
Well, this fuel pump equipment looks a bit more sophisticated than the standard pouring jugs we've seen in Africa.
Okay, thanks. See you, Colin. Thank you. See you guys.
I can tell you what, folks, looks like the locals seem very friendly towards Lyndon. Let's hope this continues right through Africa.
Lovely little canyons we're riding through here, just following the bottom.
A lovely little sunlight breakfast this morning, 6:30 a.m. A can of Lucky Star. Can of Lucky Star pilchards.
We are now making our way up to the very north of Namibia.
I just found a little shop here at the side of the road. These local Himba people have a little shop, so I stopped to say hello. Some little kids here, just having some fun with them.
Wow. Second old marble mine.
Here we are at the marble mine that I spoke about at the end of the last episode.
Well, one of the places that I'd planned to find up here in the northwest corner of Namibia was this abandoned marble mine. I don't know how old it is, but it must have been spectacular to see how they extracted the marble back in the day, because the machinery they must have needed was huge, but there's only small, really rough tracks to get here. Some of the blocks that they cut were 12 foot deep, and each ledge is about 12 foot, so the whole thing is probably about 40 foot deep to the bottom. It's a gem of a find here in Namibia, and one only wonders how they worked this mine. There's a lot of blocks still stood outside. We're just going to take a look around before we get back on the track.
You can see where the hillside has been cut into and the marbles removed.
Nice old village here. Remains of cute housing.
It's time to put the fuel in. I've used enough fuel now.
Like Dakar stage camp stuff. And I've been riding that for the last 5 days non-stop. Thousands of kilometres of awesomeness. So awesome to see.
We're right on the northern border of Namibia, and over those mountains is Angola. Next time on Races to Places, it's time to repair some inner tubes.
Hi everyone, I just want to say a massive thank you to you all for watching my media and for all the great comments that I receive every single day. Please keep them coming. I'm just going to share with you my Patreon page. Patreon is a membership-based platform that gives creators like me the opportunity to continue to create the media that you love to watch. For just a few dollars a month, I can give you priority viewing, I can give you special features, informative posts about the things that you want to know. It creates a platform for interaction between you, the viewer, and me, the creator. Now, a few dollars a month might not seem like a lot to you, but for me, collectively, it makes a huge difference. So please check out the link at the bottom of the page, and I appreciate any contribution you can make to make my job sustainable. In return for that, I promise to keep creating great media that you love, dreaming up new projects, filming it and sharing it with you all. Thanks.